Well, exploring the state park while the wind is blowing at 30 miles an hour at 30 degrees, we found the visitor center, which is a pretty nice little museum trading post type area. It's got an awful lot of parking. It has some really nice bathrooms on the outside. They have that penitentiary vibe to them, with all the stainless steel toilets with no seats or anything. Typical trading post. $12 for the passports to encourage you to go to all the different parks. Mountain marmalade, jellies, peanut butter, all sorts of neat stuff. They have a conference room. Oh, we're almost out of ice cream. Magnets, any pins. My God, they have little patches. You can be a beach. Well, we're going to visit the beach for a minute. This is the Bathhouse right there. Seems to be quite a bit of parking, but this is on about 7 levels of getting to here to there, and picnic shelters. Again, this is out on a peninsula, just like the rest of the park. Look at that picnic area way out there. Geez, we can drive out there, huh? How do we drive out there? This road here? Ooh, my goodness. Ooh. This is like... this is trusting here, isn't it? The man at the booth, there was actually somebody at the booth, said that I'd have the whole place to myself. Which is, well, not quite true. There's somebody here. Wonder where they actually are. They must be in their car. Oh, there's another car here. Maybe they're out in a boat. No, you stay here. Yep, there's the beach down there with all those stairs and all those decks and ramps and everything. Looks like a nice beach, really. Ugh. You see all that? It looks pretty muddy though. Pretty muddy. It's a really nice boat launch in this section of the day use area. The wind is so bad coming off this lake though right now. Look at the white lines in the water. That's as a result of well, we went down to one of the trailheads early in the morning with a cold breeze. The thermometer in the car says it's 35 out, and it was full of cars. And one of the people that were camping here said to me that it was a group of runners with dogs, which is pretty amazing. So we missed. But it's a pretty neat trailhead, and it's full of cars. Look at all these cars. It's a nice winter day in February to run with your dog. I guess it's about a 4-mile race or 4-mile trail. All right. These are full hookups around the bathhouse. I think this is bathhouse number 3, and hopefully it's open, which looks to be. Family restroom, shower, toilet, impeccably clean. It's a regular bathroom. Park. It's a 1-in-1. One shower. Got some hooks. Got shower head valve. Got soap dish. Bars. Shower curtain. But looks impeccably clean. This place looks practically brand new. Got some hangers. They're a little close to the shower for me, but I'd rather throw my towel over the bar. Not bad. I don't think this is mine, but it might be. Yeah, and cold. Okay, bathroom number 2 at Red Top Mountain. This is a 2-in-2. And it does have water on the floor, so it sprays everywhere. Same as the other one. Nice shower handles. Nice wash head. And the lights go off automatically if you don't hit the timer. And it does have a laundry in the back. I'm not sure about all of them, but this one does. And it's got 2 washers and 2 dryers. $2 for each. Oh, $2.25 for the washes. Wait a minute. This one says $2. This one says $2.25. And they look identical. They have a wash sink. Well, hello folks. I'll bet you're surprised to see me here. This video is the last campsite we went to before coming home, and it was a really nice state park close to Atlanta, Georgia. Not real close, an hour and a half away, but it was pristine. It was just, obviously they must get the government in there or something. But we had some computer issues, some camera issues, we had some card issues, we had all sorts of issues. And while I was at this park, we were trying to get the first video out, the video about FDR State Park and Watt Sadler Campground. I was trying to do that, and somehow I lost the video for this park. I don't have anything but what you've just seen. So I'm gonna go over a little bit more about it, and I'll give you the best campsites for it, because there are a lot of campground sites in this campground that are unusable, in my opinion. It's amazing in some of these campgrounds that they have, the sites are practically impossible to get into with a trailer, kennel. So here's a map of the where the campground is on this reservoir, and it's a fairly huge reservoir. The campground's where the little sticker is here, or it's almost an island. Then you go right into the middle of the state park, and that's the office and registration and everything. And then you go to the campground if you're camping there. Thing that looks like a Christmas sock dissuade you. Those are the full hookup RV sites, and they are nice sites. They're well apart from each other. They have good separation with trees and bushes and stuff, and they're really, really nice sites. They are a premium price. I think they're $46 or something like that. But the rest of the campground is on hills, up and down all around, and the entrance into the campsites can be straight on into the road, or they can be angled so you can drive by and back in easy, or they can be angled towards you going on the road. And so some of the campsites are really poor. The numbers that I thought were easy to get in and out of were level and were not too close to each other. But outside the campsite are all these different areas to play and hike and do things. So it's really nice, but you're really all on this island. The island is your home, and it's a little tight, I think, in my opinion. But if you want to go there, if it's convenient to you, I'm sure you'll have a good time. The facilities are excellent. Electrical and water on my site, full hookups on the full hookup sites, and I think, you know, there's enough variability in all the sites that I think you don't really get bothered by anybody real nearby. I think that's all I can do on this. It's a short video, I guess. It's sad that I've lost probably an hour and a half's worth of video, which probably would have edited down to about 4 or 5 minutes, but that's the life of the YouTube. That's just the way it goes. It's happened before. I don't usually tell you, and I don't know, I was going between the two computers. This is my old computer up here. This is my new computer down here, and it's swapping cards, and I had 2 different cards I'd used. I don't know, somehow I lost it, but no big deal. Coming up, I'll be going to Great Smoky Mountains National Park, Katie's Cove, first week of April. So I may miss a week on videos, although I've got something I want to finish that I did a while back, and I might put that up, so you'll have a video next Thursday, and I don't think I'll have any shorts in between there. So anyways, give me a thumbs up, give me a thumbs down, whatever you think this video is worth. I appreciate your viewing, and comments are always helpful to the YouTube algorithm. So leave me a comment if you think I made good doing this little extra talk, and we'll hope to see you on the road. Thanks a lot, folks. Stay safe. Bye-bye.